Well, this just came in the mail, and I'm super excited for it. It's something that I've been waiting for the better part of the last 3 or 4 months when they first kind of started teasing it. And EVO Gimbals just released a brand new Rage. I'm so excited. Let's open it up. Stickers! I love stickers, especially when it's a company that like I love. So I put them everywhere. Yes. Oh, sweet. I got an EVO Gimbal shirt. Definitely going to be rocking this. Woo! I'm so excited. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Thanks, guys. Thank you, guys. Oh, shit. I got an EVO Gimbal hat. I love hats. Definitely will be rocking this one every shoot that I do. I won't do it now because I like how my hair, I just got out of bed. Package just arrived. I'm all flustered. I'm so excited. New merch. Hell yeah. Whew. Here it is. 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 My EVO Gimbal Rage 3. How exciting is this? Hell yeah. Super exciting. Don't need you right now. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I've been waiting for this for quite some time. They started teasing about it in the last few months, and I just kept sliding into their DMs because these gimbals are sexy. That's what caught my attention the first time. My first gimbal from EVO Gimbals was a GP Pro, and that's for my GoPro, and it's still rocking hard. I mainly use that on my trail runs. My second gimbal was my Generation 2, which I use on a Sony a7S II, and I use that on all of like my live concert stuff, a lot of my freelance video work, and it's incredible. With this one, bam, just look at that. I could just chill right here and just be living life. I'm so excited with this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's open it up, shall we? Can you tell my excitement is real? By the way, this thing drops March 23rd, which is Friday, and I would highly recommend ordering it as soon as possible because I believe they have limited quantities for the first release. So do it up, do it up. Let's see what we got here. We got a strap. Hell yeah, a shoulder strap. Every time I use my Generation 2, in between shoots, I'm always like, I wish I could just pop it on my shoulder while I walk around set, or, I hate always having to put it away. So this is definitely helpful. What is this here? Anti-slip grip tape. Awesome. You guys should do skateboard grip tape. I'll definitely put that on my skateboard. But yes, this is great for the gimbal, I'm assuming. Yes. Grip tape for the gimbal. Because it does get a little slippery when your hands start getting sweaty. I suffer from hyperhidrosis, so it sucks. All right. Comes with a hard case. That's pretty cool. I love this case. I might just want to order extra cases just to put whatever in it. My favorite color is red. And on top of my favorite color being red, my favorite pattern is black and red. So that being said, whoo, voila! Black and red. This one was just all black. This is the Generation 2 that I've been using for a while now. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay. Sorry guys, I can't contain myself. This is a big deal. This is a big deal. It's the EVO Rage 3. It's a huge deal. All right, let's start with the charger. So this time, I don't know if you guys remember, or if you guys knew, the second one had 2 fat batteries. This one comes with 3, and they're a little skinnier. So, still 18-hour battery life, which is incredible. I've been on set for about 10 hours on some shoots, and never had to really charge it. In fact, I was able to use the same battery charge the next morning for another shoot and didn't have to worry about recharging the gimbal. So their battery life has been really good. I haven't had to really actually recharge in between shoots, so it's been pretty amazing. They come with a tripod. If you own a gimbal and don't have a tripod, or a mini tripod like this, you're making your life a lot harder, because if you want to put this bad boy down, also you can just close it up. If you want to put it down, you can just put it down anywhere and then just relax for a little bit. You don't have to take it all apart and make sure that your camera's not, you know, at a bad angle, and make sure it's, you can just keep it on, have your tripod on there. This looks a lot thicker than my first one. A whole lot thicker than my first one. This is a big boy. Ooh, I feel like I just upgraded from like an amateur videographer to a professional videographer just by holding this thing. This is incredible. Lastly in here, this little pouch. Damn. Guys at EVO, can I order some more of these little pouches? Because I could definitely use these just for anything. This is awesome. So this pouch has the cables for a Sony, for Canon, for Panasonic, and for charging. So you can connect a Panasonic, a Sony, or a Canon camera to this gimbal. Why, you might ask? Well, reason why I've been waiting for this gimbal is because it comes with it's follow focus. You can't see it. You can't see the follow focus. Look at that. Follow focus integrated with the gimbal. This is gonna be a game changer because it's hard to kind of do manual focus on your camera when it's on a gimbal because it loses its calibration. So with the follow focus being here, attached and integrated, it'll make life so much easier for us camera people, videographers, and your shots will get even sexier because, I mean, who doesn't like a rack focus? But who doesn't like a rack focus that's smooth? That was corny. I'm a cheeseball. I'm sorry. Whew. All right, so let's go back to the gimbal because I'm losing my train of thought. So we have what's added this year is, or on this generation, is the follow focus. You can connect your Sony, Panasonic, or Canon camera. It comes with an OLED screen or display, easier to do your adjustments. I have yet to play with this thing, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna definitely do a follow-up video after this unboxing because I definitely want to go out and play with it. But like I said, 18-hour battery. It has a display screen. It has a quick control dial as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I don't know what to do right now. I really don't know what to do. I wrote a whole plan out, and I'm having a hard time staying on it because I'm just so excited. But, you know, you could see the difference in the two gimbals. This one's definitely a mega beast, and I'm definitely excited to use it. I guess for all the actual details on it, you guys are going to have to wait till I actually go out on the field and test it out. Yeah, I'm excited. So this one, like I said, this Rage 3 comes out March 23rd, or they announce it March 23rd, which is Friday. And it runs for $749. It's a little up there in price, but their quality is amazing. Like I said, I've been using the GoPro gimbal, which was the GP Pro, for 2, maybe 3 years now. And that I take it on the mountains, on trail runs, and it's gotten an ass kicking, and it's, you know, it's had a little bit of rain on it, and it's still rocking like a champ. And then my Generation 2, I've been using it at concerts, I've been using it at freelance gigs, mainly concerts, and for the past year, and that's been rocking like a champ. So I kind of don't mind paying the price of these gimbals. And yes, I did buy this gimbal, and I bought all my gimbals. But I don't mind paying the price when I know that the quality is gonna be, you know, incredibly amazing. I couldn't find a better word. But I know it's, you know, I know it's worth it when I've experienced their product and I've experienced their company, and I've been actually happy being there from almost the beginning, because I've been seeing how much EVO Gimbals has grown in the last few years and how much attention they've been getting, especially in the film world. So yeah, $749. Honestly, because of this $749, the quality of my work is gonna definitely, the production value is definitely gonna go up. So highly recommend it. If you're looking for a gimbal, EVO Gimbals is obviously my #1 choice. And now I can rep my shirt, so I'm like super excited. I'll have to wear it on every shoot, and if not, then you know, I'll just wear my hat and you know, rep it. Anyways, $749 is what the price for this is once it drops. And one thing that EVO Gimbals just recently started that I'm actually really excited about, it's called Rewards, Pro Points, and you basically get 10 Pro Points for every dollar that you spend, and then you can use those Pro Points to maybe get more product. So for example, if I need more batteries, I can use the Pro Points that I gained by buying this. Or if I need another gimbal, then I can use that towards my expense, and so on. So it's a pretty cool like rewards program. And if you're an avid videographer, or you know, if you constantly purchase from EVO Gimbals like I do myself, I feel like it's an annual thing for me, then you kind of start seeing how much you start saving, because you'll technically have a discount the next time you purchase something, because you have points added up from your previous purchase. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I am excited to go out and test it out. I'm not going to test it out today because it's pouring outside, and I'm very disappointed in that. But I will go test it out. I will show you guys the gimbal and what my thoughts are on this gimbal. And like I said, it drops March 23rd, evogimbals.com. Price is $749. It's the Rage 3, their newest model. Oh, by the way, 3 is my favorite number, if you guys weren't aware. So it's perfect for me. And this one actually has a payload of up to 7 pounds, which just makes it even easier to put almost any camera on it. My Generation 2, I believe the payload was 5.5 pounds. So I technically only use my A7S on that one. I don't use my Canon. It's a little too heavy with the lens and everything. So I just use my Canon, but now, or my Sony. So now I can use my Canon on this one as well, which will be awesome because I have a lot of lenses for that. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've never done an unboxing before. This is kind of my first. This is actually my first one, I believe. And I'm sorry, all the excitement, like, it's real. I'm so excited for this gimbal. Jump on it once it drops. I believe they have limited quantities. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you guys are interested in seeing my interviews, I interview a lot of musicians. I was just with Travis Barker a couple days ago talking about the new Blink-182 record, which I'm so excited about. But that's over at Front Row Live ENT on YouTube, so feel free to check it out. And that's it for now. Head over to evogimbals.com, place your order on the EVO Rage 3. You could be one of the first few people to test it out. Thanks for watching here, and that's it. Out!